Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Lovo AI account. Initially, go to Lovo AI on your desktop browser or your mobile device and simply sign in. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to this page of Lovo AI. And if you look at the top right, you will find your profile. Simply click on it. Now let us go to my account. You will be provided many features here, such as uploading a photo, deleting the photo, updating your name, changing your password, and the option we are focusing on, delete your account. Let us simply click on this delete account button and it will prompt us to enter our password. Let us enter it. Once you have entered your password, click on delete my account permanently. A pop-up will open to ask for your confirmation. If you cancel it, nothing will go wrong, but in case you want to delete it, you can simply click on delete. And there you have it. Your Lovo AI account has been successfully deleted. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you delete your Lovo AI account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.